Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, December 21st, 2023. We are looking at the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. This is daily time frame chart and I'm using the Japanese candlesticks. As you can see, this is pure price action chart, and what I would like to show to you is that we are looking at the uptrend on the Bitcoin. It's quite obvious that it is. Why do we know it, and how do we know it, and why do I think like this? Since this low here, roughly around the level of 15,200, we got series of the higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, very big movement to the upside, higher high, higher low, higher high and another higher low. And let's just take a look at this recent higher low that was made during the down movement. This level is let me just find out the magnet. There you go. This level is 37,251 euro. So that's the technical support here after this market made roughly around, let's say, 10%. There you go, 10.46% correction. This correction is significant. This is not like any random correction, because it's quite big correction to the downside. So we can assume that it wasn't just a shallow pullback. It was actually nice corrective movement to the downside. So the level of 37,251 is now the technical support. We got a bounce from this level, new local high, and a new local high above 40,350 would likely confirm our bullish view for the Bitcoin to Euro. The next target is obviously the level of 41,604, which is the technical resistance and the swing high of this uptrend that we are witnessing right now. So as you can see, the correction has been completed, most likely has been completed, and momentum is roughly following this movement to the upside. Right now the momentum is at the level of 61 points, so it means that the momentum is positive. It means that the momentum is strong, and there is still a room to the upside to be covered on the momentum, and there's still a room to the upside on the price chart. So we should prepare for another movement higher, basically for another wave up. And what is then the next target? If we speak about the movement to the upside, what's the next target? Let me just zoom out first. To see what is the technical target. So we are not going to talk about the projections. We want to talk about the solid targets. The next technical target for the Bitcoin to Euro is 43,954, and this is the swing high from the end of the March 2022. Eventually, if this level is violated, we got one local high here located at 45,830. That's the end of the 2021. So if we hit one of these levels, the price of the Bitcoin will be the highest, on the highest level in 2 years. Bitcoin to Euro, of course. So the outlook remains bullish. What if the market would reverse unintentionally, unexpectedly? Where is the next technical support? Well, of course, we got this one, as I told you about, 37,251. But the major technical support is still located at 35,546, which is this level exactly right now on the chart. Thick green line was marked on this level. So as long as we trade above this level, the outlook remains bullish, and we should expect higher prices. The last one I will add to this chart is a channel of the moving averages 20 and 20. As you can see, it provides very nice support, especially during the consolidation times or corrective cycle, and this time as well made the channel of the moving averages made very nice area here, the area for a bounce, potential bounce, and as you can see, the bulls used it for the to bounce higher. So this candle here from the 18th of the December 2023, basically pierced for a couple of hours the lower channel boundary, but then come back, and since then market keeps moving higher. So as long as we are above this channel, the outlook remains bullish as well. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.